16th problem. Okay, problem number 16 now. Okay, what they asked to do now here? 16. Let's see. The length L in centimeter of a copper rod is a linear function of its Celsius temperature C. There is an experiment conducted in that you are taking what the length of the what copper along with what its standard temperature, right? Now you call in chemistry STP, standard temperature pressure. I will tell you one what amazing fact about chemistry now. STP, standard temperature pressure. If you think of what thermometer now, if you take that to what your lab now, when you keep that what in the boiling water now, it never shows 100 degrees Celsius. The reason they're not having standard temperature pressure. But meanwhile, the same thermometer, if you take to what the sea means ocean, there you will get exactly 100% the accurate 100% 100 degrees Celsius boiling point, because there is exactly standard pressure and temperature right now. STP, standard temperature and pressure. Okay, so here is the same. There is a copper rod which is depend upon the temperature in Celsius. The experiment is conducted. First it is given, not getting this pen. No, 16th we are doing now. Okay. There is for the given. Let's see now. Question number 16. Right. Uh, if the length in the beginning, let me call it length 1, is 124.942 centimeter, right? Okay. When first temperature C1 temperature, it's given 20 in degrees Celsius, 20 degrees Celsius, right? Again the length will be changed in second time now, that we call length 2, 125.134 centimeter. During that time the temperature is 110 degrees Celsius. Express the length in terms of C. Express L in terms of the degree Celsius. So you see now, according to our straight lines, it is simply looking like what? Y1, x1, y2, x2, right now. How it looks now? It looks like what? Like this. Y1, x1, this is what? Y2, this is what? X2, okay. Simply use what? 2-point form solution. Using 2-point form. Okay, use it now. What is that? Y2 minus y1. Y2 means it is L2. No, 2-point form means it's y minus y1. No, y means L. Y means what here? L. L1 is like this. Okay. And y2, L2 minus L1, y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1 means C2 minus C1 into x means C minus C1, right? So L minus L1, L we don't know, but L1 known to us. L1 is how much? 124.942. 124.942, right? Again, it is L minus L1 is equal to L2 minus L1. L2 is what? 125.134. L1 is given 124.942, right? Divided by C2 minus C1. C2 is how much? 110 degrees Celsius minus it's 20 degrees Celsius. This into what? C minus C1. C minus C1. C we don't know. I'll keep it as C1 known to us. That is how much? C1 is 20. Right? Let's see what happens. Okay. I'll take L minus 124.942 as it is. In 125.134942, you have to subtract it. See what is remaining now. 125. Just subtract 125.134. Right? This what remains now? 2. Right? In 13, 4 goes, 9 remains right now. Correct? So 1 remains as it is. So everything will begin. 0.192 remains. What remains now here? 0.192. Correct? Am I right? Divided by 110 minus 20 means it is 90 remains, right? Into C minus 20. So already answer done by Rakshit. Okay, good. Rakshit, you got it now? Namit, okay. Only Rakshit solved. Rest not solved. So then quite easy. As Rakshit did now, same you can do now. Simply we have to transfer this. L is equal to 0.192 by 90 into C minus 20. This goes here becomes what? Plus 124.942. See here you can see all the things are in C only. This is what all things what in L. So this is what answer. The L is in terms of what? C. Namita understood now? Rakshit, already you did answer, no problem. Others I'm asking. Only Rakshit is there. Namita is there. Brunda understood? Okay. We'll go to the next one, 17th one. 17th. What is the 17th question? Let's see. The owner of a milk store finds that he can sell 980 liters of milk. Quantity is how much now? 980 milk. 980 liters, right? Each week at rupees 14 liter per means 14 rupees price, right now. Again 1220 liters, again 1220 liters of milk, right? Each week at rupees 16 rupees per week they will sell, right? Assuming a linear relationship between selling price and demand, how many liters could he sell weekly if the price of the milk is per liter is 17? Let me take the quantity as y. 1. This could be what? X1. If again y2, this could be what? X2. Now the question is what now? When x is equal to 17, then y is equal to what they're asking, right? Okay, again the same kind it looks like. Use 2-point form, solve it. Correct, Lakshya, 2-point form. Using 2-point form. What is that? Y minus y1 is equal to, right? y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. Correct? Y I will keep as y1, search it now, it's here, 980 is equal to y2 1220, y1 980, right? Again x2 is 16, x1 is what, 14, x minus x1 is 14, the rest is for only simplification. 980, 980 goes, what remains there? 0, 8 goes, 4 remains. I know it's 240 remains, correct? No? Yes. Divided by 16 minus 14 is 2 remains, x minus 14. Here you can subtract y minus 980 if you 2 120s x minus 14. Correct? We want x is equal to 70, y is equal to, means first let me make it purely the equation. Y is equal to 120x minus 120 into 14. I know. Okay, 12. See, is it correct? 12 fours are 48, 4 carries, 12 ones are 12 plus 4, 16, right? Okay. This minus 980 comes here, becomes what? Plus 980. So it is 120x minus what remains now? 120x minus. So 0, 8 goes, 0, 9 goes. How much it is? 7 remains. So then this is the equation we got. Let me call x1. When x is equal to 17, 1 becomes what? Y is equal to 120 into 17, right? Minus 700. 8, 20, right now. Come on, what could be the y answer here? 0, 4, 27 goes 13, right? 1340. Y is liters, it's this much of liters milk. It is not price I'm asking. It's not price. It is what? Price or liter? Price is 17 rupees per liter, right now. When the price is 14 rupees, 980 liters quantity milk was sold, right now. And price is 16 rupees, 1220 liters of milk is sold. Similarly, when what? The price is 17, how much quantity of milk will be sold? This much quantity. 1340 liters of milk will be. So it is not rupee, it is in liter, Rakshit. Okay, you did right. Yes. All your understanding now? We'll go to the next problem. Okay, Rakshit? About 18. Let's see 18th question. There is a point which is midpoint of a line, correct? Between axes. Show that the equation of the line is x by a plus y by b is equal to the given p of a b is the midpoint. A is the midpoint of a line segment between axes, means what? It touches both axes, right now, right? Then they're asking show that the equation of the line is, show that equation of line is x by a plus y by b is this. You have to prove it, right now. You have to prove like that. Okay. However, let us make imagination of the what question there, right? With diagram. They were telling that there is a point on the line, and that point is a midpoint, and that line is between what axis. Then I will take out the diagram like this. The line is between axis. It is exactly midpoint. What do you call this? Then, if any point on the x-axis, what could be either what? We don't know x, but we surely know y will be 0. Similarly, any point on y-axis, x will be 0, y we don't know. We shall have to find it, right? Right. Or else you can, don't get confused. Let me call this as what? H, okay? For time being. Why? Because again, y, x we are using, it will be confused, okay? This is origin. So when a line is what having both intercepts, now what is the formula? Solution. We know that by intercept form. What is that form? X by a plus y by b. See, so what? I am not taking x and y, right now? Is equal to 1. If I take again x now, you'll be get confused. So I did what? HK, right now? Right. And now we have to find what is the value of h and what is the value of k also. Then. If p is the midpoint, then midpoint formula, let me go this is 1 now. Since p of AB is midpoint, therefore using what? Midpoint formula, what you can do now? You can easily find this point A and B. Using that, we can find this also, right? Right. Then let me take P of A, B will be so that these are what? X1, Y1, it is X2, Y2, right? No? Then X1 plus X2, that is H plus 0 by 2, correct? X1 plus X2 by 2. Y by 2 means both are equal now. Midpoint it is. Both sides will be ratio equal. Again, Y1 plus Y2. Y1 is 0, Y2 is K. 0 plus K by 2. Correct? You tell that P of AB is equal to, already you got what? H by 2. Again, one more is what? K by 2. Right? Then you tell that this implies A is equal to H by 2. This implies H is equal to what? H is equal to 2 times of A. Correct? Similarly, B is equal to K by 2. This implies K is equal to what? 2B. Now you got all this, right? Then they're asking the equation of this line must be like this, right? And then let us find the 2 points are there in this line, right? Now, then 2-point form we can use now. We can use 2-point form, right? Let us use 2-point form. Let me, I need space now here, so I will remove this diagram, okay? Let me remove this diagram. 2 points I will keep for the sake of your understanding now, correct? Using 2-point form. Y minus y1. How you'll make now? This is x1, y1. This is what? That is y2, y minus y1. y1 is 0, okay, is equal to y2 minus y1. y2, such no, y2. y2 is k. y1 is 0, okay. x2 minus x1. x2 is what? 0. x1 is what? H. x minus x1, x minus x1 is h, but you already got y minus y only. K means how much it is? K means 2 times of b, 2 times of b, correct? Divided by h means how much is 2 times of a, but it is minus 2 times of a, correct? X minus h means you are in the 2a right now, correct? What happens now here? These will be getting, you will get this, right? Uh, that is y into a is equal to bx minus 2 times of ab. This will be looking as what? Bx minus y and 2 times of ab is equal to the equation we got. Right? We have to bring this equation in the form of what? X by a. They are asking what? The proof they are asking what? You have to prove what? X by a plus y by b is equal to 2. You have to prove, right? You have to prove in this way. Yes. Then let me make it this way. This if I bring here, correct? Right? Minus 2 if I brought here now. Now I want, if I divide it by what? X by a. If I will divide it by ab. What happens now? Bx by ab, correct? Minus ya by ab is equal to 2ab by ab. What happens to ab will get cancelled. A cancels, bb cancels. It is x by a, correct? Minus y by b is equal to, see why it came minus? They are asking, I think, plus. See anything wrong in our concept? Y minus y1. Y1 is 0, okay. Y2 minus y1, y1 is 0, right? X2, x2 is 0 minus x1, x1 is h, x minus h, correct? It is y is equal to k means 2 times of b, correct? It is 2 times of b. H means 2 times of a, but it is minus 2 times of a, right? This minus, correct? Down here minus now it is. I have taken a only, but minus remains. Minus into x minus vx. Minus into minus plus, correct? Here we got now, right? Now I can take what, if I transfer now, how it looks now, see. I'll bring what bx here, that is plus ya as it is, correct? This if comes with minus, again I will take what? Plus, correct? Now it is correct. Now hence we proved, hence proved. Check it out now. All are there, Namita, Rakshit, Brunda, listening? Okay. Understood? Let's go to the next one. Now 18th, I think 18th finished now. Now we'll go to 19th, okay. Understood, sir. Okay. Shall I erase it? You got it now? Yes. We'll go to 19th one. The point, there is a point RHK divides a line segment between the axis in the ratio 1:2. Same kind of problem, it is 19th also. Again, there is a line between axis. There is a point, but it's not midpoint. There's a point called. So in the ratio 1 is to 2, it is dividing this line in the ratio 1 is to 2. If you call this as m is equal to 1, then n is equal to 2. Okay, in the ratio m is to n. Find the equation of the line. Okay, then how we'll do it now? The same I'll take again, right? Again we will use what internally dividing formula, right? Again 2-point form, correct? The same we'll get it, right? There is no what they restricting that you have to prove like this, right? Simply we can go with what 2-point form. But before going to 2-point form now, this is origin, this is x-axis, this is y-axis, and are they are given, then it's certainly you can understand it's, say a will be there measurement, y will be 0, right? Now there is a measurement of x, let me call this as a. Okay, I will not take x and y. Why? Because again I will get x and y in the formula also, I will get confused. So here you tell that b means y is measured, but x is not measured, x is not there, so why? The measurement I will call this as, say b, say a. It's, I'm telling, say myself only, I'm telling, say a it is, okay, this much a. Now the equation of the line, we know that by intercept form, what is the formula? X by a plus y by b is equal to 1. But the question is what now? R by internally dividing section formula. What is that? R of hk means you can take what R of xy, okay? You know that mx2 plus nx1 divided by m plus n, correct now? Again my2 plus ny1 divided by m plus n. But according to you, xy is what? Hk. Here xy is what? Hk, correct? Then I'll write what here? M x2. Here it is what? It is x2, y2. Here it is what? x1, y1, correct? M means they have given 1. M means they have given 1, correct? X2 is 0. X2 is 0, right? Nx1, n is 2. X1 is a, correct? M plus n. M is 1, n is 2. Okay. My2. M is 1. Y2, check it out now. Y2 is b. Y2 is b. Y2 is b. Correct. Ny1. N is 2. Y1, 0 it is. Correct. Divided by m plus n. Check it now. 0, it is 2a by 3. Correct. This one, b by 3. B by 3. It is correct. What is this? R of hk. Now I want a value. Why? Because up to here a it is, right? Therefore 2a by 3 is equal to h. This implies a is equal to what? This goes here. It is 3 by 2 into h. It is correct. Similarly, b by 3 is equal to k. I want only b. B is equal to what? 3k. Correct. Therefore x by a by formula, let me call this 1. Therefore 1 implies x by a. A means what? 3 by 2 h plus y by b. Y by b. B means how much? 3 times of k, correct? So if you again simplify it, it is 2 times of x by 3h plus y by 3k, right, is equal to 1. Let us simplify it. If you take LCM now, it is 3 is common, right? That is, I can take 3 common into HK, right? LCM 3 common. Let me erase this. Oh God. Here we can see it. Okay, section formula applied and I got this. Actually, measurement is A, measurement is B. So what? A measurement I have got this much, B measurement I have this much. Intercepts. The formula is what? X by A intercept, Y by B intercept. A means 3 by 2H. B means what? 3K we got. Now only the simplification to do. LCM I will find out it is 3 into HK. 3 into HK means 3H. How much? 3HK. That is K. 2KX, correct? Plus YH. 3HK is what? LCM that I will take here. It becomes what? 3HK. That is 2KX plus YH minus 3HK is equal to 0. This is the equation of the line. Let us verify the answer, whether you got the same answer. Check it out now, Rakshit, Namita, Brunda. I hope I have got correct answer. Correct? Okay, we'll go to the last problem now. 20th problem. Right? Understood? Okay, you got the same answer. Very good. Who is that? Who got the same answer? Rakshit? Shall we go to the next problem now? Namita? Brunda? Next problem? 20th? Okay. Okay. Let me take this 20th problem now. What is the question? Let us see. By using the concept of equation of a line, prove that the 3 points, they have given 3 points. What are those? First is 3 comma 0. Second is what? Minus 2, comma minus 2 only. Third one is what? 8 comma 2. Are collinear. Prove are collinear. So what you will use now? So collinear means the line which is passing through any of the 2 points should pass through what? One more third point also. Right? Then if you take any 2 points now in this, you can use a 2-point forum. So by using 2-point forum, you can find what? Equation for only 2-point forum. Then you can apply one more point, that is any among these two. Then if the answer is coming almost the same, then really are collinear. Okay? Right. By given, I will tell. By given. Let the line. Simply I will take, I don't know whether it is really collinear or not, 3 comma 0. Say minus 2 comma minus 2. I don't know whether it is collinear or not. Let me find these two, okay? Call this x1, y1, x2, y2. Say L is passing through what? 3 comma 0 minus 2 comma. Then by 2-point forum, 2-point forum, how you can write it now? Y minus y1 is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. Correct? So 2-point formula means you tell that y minus y1 is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. So y minus y1, y1 is 0, correct? y2 is minus 2. y2 minus y1 is 0, right? x2 minus x1, x2 is minus 2. x1 is 3, correct? Into x minus x1 is 3, correct? Now what it 2 minus 2 minus 3 means minus 5. You can take here now. Minus 5 times of y. Or else you can take minus 5 minus 2 means both will be cancelled, only it is plus 5 only. That comes here. 5 into y. It is plus 2, 2 into x, 2x, 2 into 3, 6. Then transfer this 5y. This implies that 2x minus 5y minus 6 is equal to 0. What is this now? This is a line passing through these 2 points, correct? If it is passing through 8, 2, it must satisfy the equation. It must be equal to 0. Let me call this. Let 1 satisfies what? Or let 1 is satisfied by what? 8, 2. Verifying. Put x is equal to 8 and y is equal to 2 in 1. Put it now. 2 into x means what? 8 minus 5. Y means what? 2 minus 6. Check it out now. 2, 16. 10 it is minus 6. I think it is correct now. 0 only coming. It's satisfying. Therefore, these 3 points are what? Collinear. If it is satisfying now, right? Those are collinear. Therefore, the given 3 points are collinear. You can check any point now. For this equation, you can check any point. 3, 0, okay? 3 into 2, 6. 0 into 5, 0 only. 6 minus 6, 0. This one, x means what? Minus 2. Minus 2 into 2, minus 4. Y means what? Minus 2. Minus into minus plus 2 5s are 10. It is minus 4, minus 6, plus 10. Means all these 3 points are satisfying the same equation. Hence, these 3 points must be on the same line. Correct? Or else never satisfies the equation. So, this is the satisfactory explanation of what all the 20 problems of 10.2. Hoping you all understand it.